Morning, alien students. Welcome back. We just have a small brush up class. Just hi, hello. I just did a mistake. Okay. Okay. You can do the remaining ones. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. I'll just go to view. Okay. This is done. This is done. We don't need this view. We don't need this one. Good. Okay. I think it's clear now. What we can do is magic time. Okay, it's easy now. Nobody's gonna complain. Section box. Yes. Hope everybody understood how to run this. Yes, we did. Okay. So this is the story. Easy. Even if you want to go to the top thing, it is we'll finish it in a minute actually. Okay, we didn't do the remaining, so okay, you can complain on that. But you get the picture, that is important. Okay, perfect. You can continue very much. Okay. Now what I'll do is delete. Oops. Okay. I'll show you the trick now. Just go to the floor. We've not created all the floors, but let's say 3D view. Okay. I would like it to have the same thing for the top floors. Actually, this is a big building. Okay, what I can do is, yeah, see now, copy, paste to selected levels. I just have created level 1 in my architectural view. You get the same picture. Okay, it's as simple as this. If I had created more levels, I will create it now. So we have the just did one mistake here. Okay, what I'll do is I will undo it. So we have a mistake here. Let this be there. I just delete this. Yeah, collaborate. I'm doing it reverse, but not the way you do it. But we're trying to make a point. That's it. I'll be back in a minute, just 1 minute. Copy. I need to look at 3D view. Align to selected levels. Welcome. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. I just need to do some small work and be back. And okay. It didn't take too long. Okay. Now what we will do is we can just connect them. Look at this now. Okay. You are happy with this, right? Yeah, we are very happy with it. Now we need to just go to the last level, which is the 3rd floor. We can't see the view range because of the view range. Minus 300, minus 400. Doubt we'll be seeing minus 600 is better. Okay, that way. Now what I'll do is, from here, this part, draw a point. Where do you want to go? Let's say to minus 1,200, no, 1,200. Let's say 3,000. We can cut if you don't need. Okay. You see 3D view. Okay. Now you see the magic now. Select this pipe. Keep it like this. Okay. Now use this. Okay. I have another method. Is do this with this. Okay. And I think no, it's not connected. Now if you join, it's perfect, isn't it? And No, this is on. Yes, this is on. Bottom of lower and bottom. This one. Make it 1000. Okay. Oh, sorry. But you get the picture, right? It's perfectly fine. This is also perfectly fine. What we can do is same story. So I hope this is clear. Beautiful. Okay. So actually we finished four floors in less than 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Okay. So yeah, this is the story. We can open, close, open. 1 minute. Where am I? Ground first floor. As ground floor. Yeah. You can keep adding whatever you need. Maybe in the next class we will finish the sink. Thank you. Take care. Hope everybody enjoyed this class. If you like the class, you know, subscribe or whatever you want. If you want me to teach you, why are we using this size? By the way, I'm doing one more. Yeah, good. We spoke about it. I'm having one new course coming up for HAP users. We're going to learn HAP. Okay, based on actual standards. I made a beautiful Excel. Okay, how much light? You'll enjoy this course. Okay. Yeah, that is it. This one. Yeah. So, okay. Come on. Yeah, so we will enjoy this course. We'll learn how to fill in details, everything. So yeah, anyway, that is we'll keep that trailer for some other movie. And anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. We will see each other in the next class, isn't it? Yeah, I think it looks good. Perfectly connected pipes. Okay.